is proudly brought to you by Oheneba Ghana Rice, Amen Mat, Becky Bell Homemade Pizza, Debbie's Collection, Ma Docker's Pastries, Pizzeria Food Delivery.
And also akoye eda stronko atwede mponkwame basaya adom etimi ede amayen and akoye benada na won say edu ebenada nwumese ni dia na bebia tadin the Tuesday edition of the Black Man Story foka metenasia ayam pempie ni ekohwehwe tetatempo no bia kwan panada na afaso na enya home ede amaye kra na ene obi ka na asem ampaya ebe pai ane ampaya ebe pai. Fi say na topic no is religion really affecting Africans. You beto aso na ya say National Cathedral bi obi an donate 100 Ghana a month. Na ene be ka ho asem you be call man so Apostle Raphael atwetwe nkomo sa so na bebe ma ye the more interviews ni more insight na ebro na woni bibi unya subscribe to Foka TV ya mesre bo modern subscribe of course me the program fufu bi by friend ye boy yensam ene ahwefo yamba yensam obete pa afie yamba yensam bete pa a new program bia me dey ba entinani no me fire National Cathedral na a good say ye donate na ma ye donate me twa musima ba me ba e be hye jimi de na sadama me ba isia.
This show is proudly brought to you by Oheneba Ghana Rice, Amen Mat, Becky Bell Homemade Pizza, Debbie's Collection, Ma Docker's Pastries, Pizzeria Food Delivery.
And the first time I call about the Tuesday edition of the Black Man Story. So now Shannon Swami said getting T3 Ventures for say a more democola aba Ampoma Junction. It is a uti do or yarefa uibi anase frafraha adenta. And how encomocola say okakoto nido milu sardine near honke count debi. But more than a Ampoma Junction. Kupi mohonoma ubenye nebi or getting T3 Ventures. Na and then she jimedi na say na ubekaya. Nano Bernadana ye Casadia religion ho na yenya sofu penia oda Penny L Revival Ministries no so e work from Eastern region na ye ne twetwe nkomo na enne ye toaso say religion no abehaye anase abeboaye na afie nso ewia ibegbo rem wo National Cathedral ho sensema enei abeto mamanfo eka ho asem no Apostle Raphael otimenkan makwa aba the Black Man Story so
Papa Medawase,
amen. Abaso na ye topic ni so. Na enen media bisa say religion no abeboa ya ekwan so na abeboa ye. Na abeha ye so ekwan so na abeha ye.
Papa nyamishira o. Obroni kasa religion no. Amsa se ya wo so ni patia owo tu we ye me se ni pani me e hwe wo so obi a o hwe wo so ana wo so ni bi a e so no ya classify as religion enti ye wo traditional religion wo mo de yanko ana go ni abe classify no wo traditional religion wo ye wo Islamic religion and ye wo Christian religion na the word religion no and I am not person you be so many Christopher because religion in particular no member the Christian people Papa what you
okay
in this era no yes some and you say you know Oni person you look up in Yanko Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Religion in a way. That word religion up the heart. Yeah, in a way. Because Christo Nubia Militaire can and cannot pop up one thing, look up book today. For my phone, the new Bira Kota, the new Obikula Kota, Makuyu Biadi, Makuyu, me bonne seme na wa ko ka wa sema tire nipa
eno ne boneka
boneka me ma ko bia da da me ko ma ya ko bia be ba sa ta na abrofo na pete wo ji hunu ya jere bia na owuru buru ni no odi wo so no wa ye wa di ju nya na obeku ko ka tere na wada ne ho so nti eye wo ya no omude to ye nya jere onu na tina ye jere pa wo ho ene yan ka ka particular no dem a ye jere
okay
the way Africans we think. When I get better to get young, I'm going to be the intention to not know the point. About what I
yeah, but Apostle, answer about to ask one. O can say Obroni di behu e bibifo adwen a. Obebe kan say Kristo echi difo pona wo ka say eno na opesa nka yemfa mfre Christianity na nkasa kra no. Say broni na de ba you ana.
Papa won say akwaya ke say o wo ti tie. Nti ke ya do wo mo prasen eno na ho ba be die.
Eno kra.
Na see Kristo see na me see me de mu na ma. Actually no mo de peli. I think some of them in the way. But the American say, we let them buy the Apollo and another consumer. I tell you,
okay. And see, me bow, who acquire software no? Me besides our question we say, Obi Kase, a sum buy and one. Ama bonne abdorson. Religion bia na say odi emfa ne say wo akwaso for ne emfa eye Kristo echi difo no say da woka no yesi ama bone adoso fi say obitimi fo obi yire no akosere bone fache na e de ache no yeso obekọ heaven nti ama bone adoso wo wiase
let me answer me straight aka say an Kristo so ama bone adoso because that all that I don't know what to the Bible wrongly.
Yes.
Now, me mauti asi anase me tiefwa ehwe focus TV.
Yeah.
Online no tiasi say. Eye nipa edi nyame nipa no di wo manimu no echi no na manyame nipa interpret Bible wrongly. Because memory obi ba wa so dem na we for swan ka bibia nkyere na osofo no sabi onye hwe entinu nipa na for so se ka bibi kyere no na ommeti na mimi
okay
eno na amabone adoso entinu si amu nipa tiboni mu endra kwa no koji obi kunu eno betina asore dem so for frɛ no we ewu elo so for who so be cobble chiri so for who say nipa na ko gbe gama enransa no ba asore enti in a way na onu ti aso de mo gbe gama na so for who gama na nkan chire no so for who say o be cobble chiri in a way no na dinu mo sound na se ne gama mbo na ya de papa bi ko nyame ehunu ana nyame akokugu ni se me be cobble chiri bere no gbe gama de ne gama mbo na ya de papa nti ni nto asonye
okay
na tesi ano papa Kristo so first no wo beti na ja wo dan no to to kwa akraba
bia mfa hwe
wo fa wo beku ba Kristo so ma kire se yemfa bone nche but say you many people who say Nyankopon o kan Bible from Old Testament that is New Testament even Sefira ni kunu
Ananias yeah
ekoto asase a wo twa toro no amuno wa Onyankopon kunu wo ni na eto Nyankopon ni tumu ya mere ni tumu so ya den but ya me ni panti asese ya me ni panti asese Kristo somo ubetinya koye bone na wasan aba na your era of dispensation ya me de mo ja ba dia da sama nti me de si ano ya bone kura na emfa ho nyame de bechew nti abese nipa dwunu mu se me di bone kura nyame de beche nti ma me ko di bone na msamre nyame nchen. That is what is in the mind of the people. Nti at their first on koye they say o Kristo ni be kwakoye because oye Kristo ni what you want to say is that when you have the two who so you Christian, you make you have the two man before when you so by no catch of the Bible so be more somewhere ha. That hammer and on time more.
And see, unsusu say, me nyina mu no, abeha ye. And I say, why didn't you answer? Say abeha ye.
And I make a say, the last Tuesday make a say abeboa abeha.
And to the enfane say, udi tutu unsusu ni a. A high na boy on average. They went a boy pa and they went a high. Osha abe boy and as abe high.
My main fun free. Yen na no penso kakra man be sima mi no bi na me kira wade. Ona me ya bofra no ye kofuom. Na ye fie fuom ba. Na abiane amudi ye ne dika ye wo be dia efra hwase ye. Obi ya fie fuom baba o mi so baba be fie wo. Nti wo bi ane na wudi ni dia ka no be jesi ho. Onsu na ono me ni dia ka wo be jesi ho. Na wo mi ani fi ba bi no bedu ho wa be den o be fedi. Ene Kristo so ho. Ala mote wa se bi o mo ye mi interview kuran papa. Wo je wonsu a wanum sisi esi ho. Na ko jo so ba o be sa fa no.
O da bi.
Adinti.
E bi anu bi apoizen me.
Tetena onu yemfa Kristo somo mre no. Onu ni on say
apostle won say Bible na nkasa ati so kire ye say wo. Ye ma ye minti sa abo wo. Nti no utimi nja wonsuo se nsi wo sa ankomba sa mefa nom sa wo. E so ma we ninti.
Me abofra papa. Ye wajina kesi ya bonten a. Eyina no o twem obeba benumbi. Adowa twem obeba benumbi. Oko school to America be do fi oba be se obia be se nse ni benom ene o free de kula munsi o ga fi na uja oda no to na o mo se aseme se wura o de ma o ba obi yi ne ma wo free mu nyina to egu ya benya mentality di
se efi nkyerɛkyerɛ no ana
o se
efi Bible nkyerɛkyerɛ no ana
eno na me kyerɛ o se a se ya wo bi sa sofo bi nkyerɛkyerɛ no Wondi no kora wo Bible no because Bible na ka say da ho ne de kire ye kwan papa say ye mfa so. But also for na ka kire wo say foka begins enya wo beku. Enji show wo yi e wo begins ho. Ono so ko da bi nya ko ka kire say wo foka na no ne na mo. Femi ye pa na o yusu yo beku enu asepoto. That is but they are too big at the two penitentiary for them to you one way and a tamful. And the Christo son, not buy a buy. I'm not fully intention on the Christo son buy, you know. Or what they buy in a way to as on the baby, you look like other fire,
Japan, to you on average, a higher power.
Enti
aha nti yenjan to na yenkoye nananom akwan so na bi be ka se yenja Kristo so nko so mbosma na
sesi ane de papa ya ba be sojidi enim aba be timi o me bi go de say no ontini nkan kire me say me baba ma wo no me fa nko ne ngogoro ne baragoro o be ka say ya boso me se monye and there is no way say you bet me up back. This some no only we have to for your bank to see. You mean a dream back to say yes, I pop of fight near your mamma at work guaba. And just had your Christo so many yes, you so much I could hear you.
Until apostle to you need a higher bat Yanso Musa.
Papa near Benedict. I will say you soon.
Okay.
Oh, I will say you soon because to see I'm not 2 weeks. Bible say, Bible say, I had the Anama yet that Anna Ombre, but it says me, ya, I am a day. I just am a coffee Bible, Bible say, and this so. If you catch you be said, in shady way, man, go down 9 tomorrow, but that's why I take some. Or the cocoa, said the other could you walk with Jan and Negu soon. Meanwhile, one man so do soon as you have a cocoa said the among. Keteno beka church nsuni e bosom ye nyame se na odi mansu ne ho ate amawo na wano mo nyankwa baba wati ase
Matiase pa
but ne Kristo so mo ba ye bibi ye be Kristo nti bibi ye be Kristo nti bibi ye be Kristo nti na so say am ti nyome bi ase a me ba ma for them in different from any other asofo.
Okay. Nti abaso wo aka ni sei no say yentimi ensan kofa nti no yensusom kakra krasa akosi say dache be ko heaven sesa na waka no nti abaso won say yakase mi say osuru ni efie me boa
ya osuru ni efie sabe
nti asase ya so de yesa bibia kra na yakokra yakọ heaven na samre ya osuru ni efie na asema abeto dwa na obi akebiye National Cathedral wadwe nkyere ho ne san
papa yeso betua 1 million nti o de utie wi a oni madiebi
debi
National Cathedral one e be yesofo be dan no be ko kan se nyame asem no
nchemu kakra o mo de ba ne se ebeye oman ni nyina som bia nkremofuo hwanfo suma hudo ni nyina betima be som ho
enunti na meka se ebedu biribi wo Kristo sum betwam se yenum bia nyame adom ya bete somasi ya ye kire nyum bia se in a different way no na ye ma ni ko wuntu di e wonyam som onama de no wunu nti a odu baabi a osi afodo muka aye fe no altar osi afodo muka magudade na woguso oyo wobukotodwo altar nanim abompaye de no wunu
sa no na ebosom ebo no de ato no de aka nche guso eno ya bosomsom apostle
wonu de na oma na wunu ya oye nyoma bia oye and God deals with blood onyangopo or the moja na yade okay Luke chapter 1 or Luke chapter 2 or hanu be na quote sa quotation with that Yesu kurampo ya wono no ye yamamre man do di na wocho no
ni tweti ya
buruburu ani aturu kukuni ade ko ya mamre man na wocho da ono ya jemko no ye yamamre man sada no so na ye samamre nye you see I don't want to go there
inti apostle mesra wo
kan say na National Cathedral we assume faso bi amagana
apostle meba are you saying it on the show say National Cathedral no esu ni faso emfa magana
assuming for so I am telling you, baby of a film, I want to.
Mommy issue disclaimer we answer. Why? I issue disclaimer we say Apostle Raphael Asaram Popo. Asama okay. Foka TV. Yenim hoshe. Foka kasa mimi interview we minim hoshe. You have the right to say it on your own. Would you tumsa?
Oh yes, Papa.
Okay. O say National Cathedral no. Esu ni faso magana currently.
Esu ni faso magana.
Adenti na kasa.
Ya kwaya say. Inso ai bi no me papa. Enne me oko market ko bisa ade bona o sa be fie na so be fe sika kwa obekọ yese ya toso. Ade anti you dana. That is how bad the economy is. Why do you need a cathedral? Sorry, your referendum, your other institutions. Add it in the Classic Stadium. Okay, so Bompire, Ponoco Bompire with Stadium.
Apostle, where the last one minja on the kokra. Yes, say. Asofo bebre na oppose. Meaning say, if he say a national cathedral na ebia omai muni nyina dodo na beja asola hodo na kosumo wonti na ma asofo dodo na no munni aban na say munje saa asemu ntum na na. Fi say ye bosha omampanyi share nyankopon. Ono ane personal boshe.
Na bosha wo say nyankopon. Papa so say nyankopon bo na opese ya oba be ka chiro bia so obosha o say nyankopon opese o koyema nti. Wo mebo a na ko ye nyankopon boshe. One hour say nyankopon bo so do butum ska business na cathedral. After what they are for the Yamaha Ghana Fakusi Cathedral. For what?
Apostle, we be kase asofo so mu ye bi. Mutimi mu si asole dan ama mu hu anama nyankopon nanso mu ye appeal for fun say wo abema me 50 bags of cement ni be gina me mo mpae ma o. Eno so e.
Papa eno. O ye me member.
Okay.
Ana so ba me nchen be gem mpae bo. Me bon mpae ma o nyankopon aye wadom ade na wo pese wo ye etunya yiye. Enti ade na wo ye na tunya yiye dia. And you're not all one member, you yet your sword and will be to me up the mama up a bomb fire, eh? But what by you, and your uncle, you
mean, His Excellency said voluntarily, Obia, we are civil servant, and all your bedroom Caribbean, 500 Ghana, Kitwe Biensa, it's in a foreign quala, for a crab one AC National Cathedral. Say, Apostle one Cassan Abia, Yankupwe Yachros, was a unsi asafu. Now one done. Your personal calling and as our personal friends and vision and who put yachiro. But what me involve other stakeholders be now no bomb pile is Namiadum Kakawa Monsem. 18 Abia or my penny personal pledge or their Onion coupon a one no mono. Or to say bia Abua for this meeting Abuano.
The problem for Kawan, I make up the National Cathedral and who name fast one say. Christopher Timi call Cobom Pie. Now, Clemofort Timi call Cobom Pie. And the Apostle Fonso Betina call Cobom Piana.
Sanity.
And the Adana was what's Yama?
Oh, according to a more plan, Chim, a Christopher Bewaha, in Camophobia, na Yenuano Aboson Fonso, a fan. Yet, you bet Chimma will be in an idea. Rasta for you, I've been your dear.
Papa, but I said I grew up in over Yami 80. Plus, a baby bar. And Chachil be a baby after a bit saying Uncle Poncrano, and you will say assuming Uncle Pon, and will say assuming you to pay. What you used to mean Uncle Waba. I trust them from Genesis up to
Malachi.
Malachi.
Okay.
I can use what some say. Yes, you unyankopon ne ba. Ebi say nyankopon nankasa na esiri soro na waba. Ani wagya na yin ato. Na wo di we. O ma bebre o wase. Na wo de wo company man. Na wo tu kwa kwase abruchiri ema ukodi 33 years wo. O beba no. O be ko so di hele.
Ibi tu efi.
Na say Yesu ayo nyankopon okobuko to Yesu obon pa ya wan obon pa na ma.
But say Obi be catch you say o kan tworo ni ya won na say won kunkun ti mu a obehu say Yesu Kristo no a ene onyankopon
o betinye wu papa so ba wu o betinye wu papa e wu because you act like your father.
Nti John 10:30 no na se kire no no ana.
So I and my father are one because my papa subai no e wu mi. And I'm so only subai wo me papa mu.
Okay.
It's me no meja ye ba ko e no kire se me ye meja. Papa e no ti National Cathedral I'm taking it categorically say. E wu ni faso.
Okay. Okay.
And me was what you would do kura so wo ko si National Cathedral.
Nti Apostle personally Apostle, no personally, we bet you 100 Ghana na untia. As a man of God, Apostle Raphael Asari Ampofo, ubetia ube donate 100 Ghana. Edi abua.
Me donate me de akobwa ya ne fo na me donate me de akobwa.
Me ba cho u donate na de abua si National Cathedral because we a man of God. Ube ya na onye.
Say me a man of God. Na wo si me donate skabia. E be de kosi school diamond ko fo kwatinem. E se ye de ko economy na atitini yi. Abra
wo ye sofo a unim se empaibo bia anase bebi a ye nhyiemu bia ema nyankopon no huhia no wo de be ma akosi school.
Nanu Yesu aka tell shelf for ne say dan emro ni oba Samaritan ni ba ni ko hia ye oka tell oba ni say debi ba Jerusalem ona muhunu ana people so ye konkoso nyame bi ebere bi ba ye be so nyankopon e wo huhunu ni nokore mu na nipa de na komu mu na be so no gurade.
Okay.
Enti asa cathedral no ko tiesi won enku ni mfaso bia.
Okay. Enti apostle we dey make us kra but we dey we na kra obi beka se o ka se economy ni nye ena kwan nye ena fan fa kosi hefa ba bible ni musu Yesu emra na suafo ne ka se na enwu ya obai ede guni na hu ya de se ye kwa o metimi aton ede ama ehiafo Yesu ka se ehiafo mo nchenda etu nji ni se economy ni de betete da ena ebia eka ne se suku ni ade no ekwan na nyen de wo ye nchenda na emum no National Cathedral no anytime bia ye be kai amampanyin bia ne be kai se osi National Cathedral o shebo o she Yankopon bodo di so.
Okay, papa de ma yenza dibio Flagstaff House na ye siwo e hono.
Yeah.
Kwen se de compound ni mo sofa. Iwi ye garden. Kesiye enjade no mon gasi be rezi platform bi keke wo na idu san to bi ya mara ho mebon pai enye Independence Square da ho kakake ye jimi ko won ko bon pai.
Apostle sa na be kan dan den ke asofo a mu organ nyanke yeso obi esi asore dan yo ana
misia bia be bia misia no.
Okay. Enti no so percent ko man mu ni nyina ke yen hia fa.
And so you say, I don't know who be seen. Say the Ghana for you now by a document.
Asuma hodo no mpanyifo na obekokohia wa bompae. Fi say e bia na the whole Ghana yekohia wo Pen El Revival Ministry a na obi akoka say Apostle Raphael MPP ni nti na bia aban na maye nyina ekohia wo honom. Basi esini national dia eni aban ko aban ba eye national e obi adea. Entimatimi asola no pay akọ bompae.
Oh, Papa. Media. Media na so kase National Cathedral na hunu mfaso.
Okay. Abaso na
omai no state ya yewu mu. National Cathedral hunu.
Okay.
Ya fa state kanu mo ma economy no nyina na so. And no pay ni here. Na omai no enko nani.
Abaso ene enwumre beda wase na me adoma Thursday ye besan afro na ya san age wada age kakra why ya da se pa
ya mi shira mo pa ntim da se
Apostle Raphael na yete ne nka se o ma ye insight kakra etoto adwen o say National Cathedral ne de ehu hia now was trying to pull his legs kakra ne ade but wa chere say National Cathedral no ehu hia metwa musima ba me ba pe na chere say ya to adwumedi ne so e de ma me ba isia.
This show is proudly brought to you by Oheneba Ghana Rice, Amen Mat, Becky Bell Homemade Pizza, Debbie's Collection, Ma Docker's Pastries, Pizzeria Food Delivery.
And if I say Makwaba at the bar, the Tuesday edition of the Black Man Story, so now Apostle Raphael and Castle Kasabebre, and I'm being honest with you guys. Me personally, my session is National Cathedral, and who here? Yeah, I said the Apostle came in any 100%. And the reason I'm in the argument is here, my cousin Yachemo, mo hwe interview ni ye na mo hwe pro won say me sweat sa even yenyina mo kane akra engineer pie ene light wo ho ba untimi so air conditioner na emma why because electricity ankasa ye power ye hia no ye nya nti ka che se ye sika kakra na ye nya no ye san fambra ne fa besi national cathedral de be ka se mi se won even omo de Christianity Islam any other religions by your crampo no okom kruma omo focus on religion 24/7 no what they do is omo sum kakra no ma ejuma bebre. We are living in a country where obi kwa asole Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Obon pai so pa ejuma. Se uma bibini ana uma black person ejuma se onye na uma ni religion. Obe choose religion eje ejuma. Obe choose religion akobon pai si rade man ejuma bra uma na ejuma no onye o. Enti no to me no I'm very disappointed say a whole president eti wonom say na obi kan say o personal pledge o promise Ghana 1 million one constituency 1 million one district one factory eno no ntimi for filling wie yo neso wo personal bosha wo hye Nyankopon no yen contribute to it towards it for you okoko bi beka tell say because me co free SHS free ntino I will donate any your personal decision. But personally, I think say this is not the time for that. Enunti na Bible no kraka say nyame sompa ne say ebehwe nyanka eni kunafo. People in the country are not even getting food to eat. People are living on the street. Amanfo ekomu di amanfo. Enti no ukosi asodan maya. So bi se bio empire boni be di ada. You see, let us criticize constructively. Yemfa nyemanto, let us not politicize issues. Let us not politicize issues. If you can say you going to politicize issues there and come in there and now and come tanechi. But it's a national issue that people have to address it. I was saying religion is killing us big time, and I've always tried to be in the middle. I've always tried to be in the middle and stay balanced because I feel say it's a hard time. I was say religion is really killing us. They believe in holy war. Say maybe the second war oko heaven. Assume you was assume you say maybe be foul you na me na dana me sre bone facha. Be ko heavy straight. Assume be so on my own. Like there are so many other beliefs be on my people hide behind it and they do so many things. The personal to me can crash say the national cathedral agenda no the yefan to baby. The national cathedral agenda no enye yeah we can say by force will be contribute. Yes, me personally mean contribute, but the make catcher on say if you contribute your personal decision. Your personal decision and not just say onye a patriotic citizen. No. The president said we have to be citizens, not spectators. So we are being citizens here. For America on this show, say, Mr. Remo, the state at which we are in now, no. So can the first 4 years we will see natural cathedral put down Kenya again. Now this time around that, the month will soon. Yeah, yet your friend is saying, a jumemo. Also a conditioner, Emma. I say, would the friend say for him sound so light or pepe. It's not at this stage. And I was say, it's not ho. Ne ka say any ye bomodiana ya je atumu na den no hwe religion is killing us big time. Obeko bi wadwumim o se to ofa bonti no okwa akosum nyame na ogya adwuma na to no okọ na ogya adwuma na to no okọ. And you know I'll give more insights about this thing as time goes on. Many so many friends saying guests they want to share their thought on religion, and I don't want you to be a friend saying a leader now say a hoster. Me kasa saying guest phone. That is why and then me mamu stand. But the truth here is national cathedral ni here. National cathedral ni here. Enti me so me take me twa musima ba me ba e de jwe de nyina be ba ne wi me ba isi a.
This show is proudly brought to you by Ohineba Ghana Rice, Amen Mat, Becky Bell Homemade Pizza, Debbie's Collection, Ma Docker's Pastries, Pizzeria Food Delivery.
My memories, my signals, deletion, destruction. I don't want it to end.
Therefore, some makwaba at about the Tuesday edition of the Black Man Stories. And channel did you meeting in it to me AC Hamsi. Channel Swam say me the Franco Suko Jason, my Dublin Jackson, name me DOP, MCR, producer, like YBBR. And I feel no big girls and sewa and so boy me. But and then the workaholic, Foka TV, and Messi Bacope, and one Dublin Jackson, or boy Jumanina, and so eating me at the Amai. Now, yan twas so dear. Ade ba kwa mede mamo ne se enra ena Kwame Nkrumah enra ena Kwame Nkrumah o de hwe se wa wehu aha Kwame Nkrumah etumi escape assassination e wo Tamale 1st August see pepe o se foka member memfa history embremo ntino we a little history me so me de mamo with the Black Man Story. So now, how everyone can do Jimmy Dina de Sierra, but me say, Miss Srel, so when you subscribe to Foka TV, Bomodian ne subscribe, Bomodian ne subscribe because me the program for be ba your friend ye boy and sem. Once our program, me say, the ba me say after 4 young boy and sem, but pa. If ye young sign boy and sem, pa. Sa program enche eba eno beka se ye twan ho abanti yembo yensem pa ye nya Dublin Jackson amano sinti yembo yensem sa na che se Jimmy did so etimi esion a new show me the eba ntino me so unya subscribe ya subscribe why uya na click adoma no so mame na bibia so entim enkonka ena enche ene enche bia no Foka TV ye de enkran so be hihye mane we ba na Dublin Jackson ti anu se na o kankran ni nyina ka ntino hwe ye wo more we are package the bro e de wo Foka TV so just subscribe to our channel na click adoma ne so we dey hwe aha so when we say dey buy no sa iPad no na me dia na Foka TV no me di Foka TV ni shemu enti no mesere mo say aha na rema kwan e de dwumedi nyina tin esi e de amamo na Foka ma start yenyum because me say nyum to no ayefo ntimetima ye bi ti me onyum bibro no ma ba ko me feature sa akode ni nyina wo ho ba ko so me feature Shatawale na ba ko me feature Kerry Hilson na me ni Akon so onyum bi ni nyina be release very soon but ni nyina mo me say obi wadwumi ma say ono watena me music career no but still nyame ne hene ntino dwe me wo ma me ma mo line ba ko da me ne Akon bebo ne fe no anti donko say anti donkwe obaba no hie ni feel semesmana onkwe iti be kotoponko eyo it's Foka on the mic yes I'm to rap here riding on the hype I can find a rap credit you in the our midini fagozi ko Jason Dublin Jackson and a ye DOP ye MCI BB adama nyame adoma Thursday ye be share makram bye bye.